better than I remembered it. And it's lighter and brighter more in the morning, but it's got the top cabinets, so lots of living space. Go stairs!
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile.
Hi everyone, thank you so much for stopping by my channel and hanging out with me for another video. So today we are just going to be doing a bit of an apartment update, some moving, some organizing, some getting things sorted around the house. I've been trying to take it a little bit slower this time rather than just quickly put everything away wherever I can find a spot for it. Just been really slow and considered about what I want to keep and where I want to put everything. So it's been a little bit more slow going. Although to be honest, we've only been here I think 4 days now since the movers came. The boys and I moved a few things across over on the weekend, actually quite a few things across over on the weekend. They wanted to make some extra cash helping mum move. So we made I think about 13 car trips over the 3-day long weekend. And we're able to make a little bit of a head start on the removalists by bringing some stuff across. There is literally not a single surface that doesn't have stuff. Oh my goodness. Like you can't even see. You can't even see in there. Oh, here? Sofa though. This is our little temporary TV station. And some green crates to unpack. Some furniture to fix because, yep, awesome. Every single one is broken. Every single one. Every single one is broken. Every single one is filthy. Like this is... Oh, that one's not broken. That's good. Like, seriously. Oh, they're the ones that we moved in before the movers. Okay. Well, I will never, ever use that moving company again. The first time I used them, they were great. So quick, so nice, so straightforward, no hidden charges. This time, I think they've got new management or something. It was just like, it was a scam from the start. So I should have trusted my instincts, but I was like, oh, I don't want to go through the hassle of looking for another moving company. I'll just go with who I have already used and I know, and it was a good experience last time. But holy heck, this was just hidden charge after hidden charge after fee after fee after fee, and just a couple of guys that freaking, they just look like they're bloody, I don't know, I won't say it. I've just piled the kids' stuff all in the corner to try and make space for their drawers, but it's just, oh my gosh, what a complete and utter flipping mess. Anyway, time to get started. Haven't had a decent night's sleep for about a week, but you know what? Running on empty. Let's get started.
Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks that were spread in my mind, but I was all out of hope, lost in an endless maze. The emptiness had afforded just like a void, but
2 out of 3 so far. Drawers are completely stuffed.
because it
Now these green crates that I am using, this is I think the 5th time I've used these green crates, which you hire from greencrates.com.au. I paid for them myself, but I did ask them if they had a discount code available to share, because I know a lot of people have been really interested when I've shown them before, and I will leave those discount codes in the description box for you. If you are moving house, I highly recommend the green crates. It just makes it so easy to pack, to move, and then to unpack. And because you've got that kind of booking deadline of how long you hire them for, it really encourages you to get unpacked really quickly.
Are out and you stumble in the dark. You kept pushing on, but then you went too far. When your ship has sailed and all your dreams are lost, everything is wrong, you feel like it's your fault. Just remember, I will be there for you, baby. Remember, there's nothing out there to get you. Don't forget it when life throws lemons. Just call on me to get you. Don't forget to get you. 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 You're stronger now than you ever been. You gotta leave now, it's time to catch the wind. You will climb up high and look through the clouds. And when you're feeling low, I know you'll bounce back. Oh, and just remember, I will be there for you, baby. Remember, there's nothing out there to get you. Don't forget it when life throws lemons. Just call on me to get you. Don't forget to just call on me to get you. Don't forget to just call on me to get you. Don't forget to get you. To get you. Don't forget to just call on me, baby. I'll be there. Just call on me, baby. Swear that I'll be there. I'll just call on me, baby. I'll be there. I'll be there. Call me, baby. Swear that I'll be there. And so we found love here. Together we will shine, but we know we're running out of time. 'Cause we met like strangers in the night. Don't tell me it's over. Now you got that something in the way you smile. I see that spark lights in your dark blue eyes, so I can't let you go without telling you this now. I wanna see you again. I could travel 1,000 miles just to feel your arms around me. I could travel 1,000 miles just to feel your arms around me. I will give my love to you, but will I see you when I get there? I could travel 1,000 miles just to feel your arms around me. I will give my love to you, but will I see you when I get there? Oh, we can make it for the world to see.
Now the first few days that we were moving, we had to go back and forth obviously to the old place just to organize bond cleaners, carpet cleaners, pest control, doing all the cleaning and getting all the last little bits and pieces out. You always end up with so many little things that just either don't fit or you don't want movers to take. I actually was planning on selling this bed, but we just ran out of time, so Jake and I had to dismantle it and then take it over in my car to the new place.
Travel 1,000 miles just to feel your arms around me. I will give my love to you. dry. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rockin' if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby.
So we're now up to day 4, and I think this was the first day that I had the majority of the day just to spend unpacking and sort of getting everything organized in the new place. I didn't have to go back to the old place, I didn't have to go out, I didn't have anything to do besides just get it sorted. So it was a long time coming, like the first day being able to spend a lot of time getting things done.
Turn it up, we got this. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. You better join in. You better grab that tambourine. Bring a bass, we might be wicked. We may be forced to cause a scene. Make some trouble, baby.
Now, one of the things that I really wanted in this place was to have an open pantry. So looking for a really slim sort of shelf to be able to hold all of my glass and bamboo canisters. I've got quite a few of them, and I really love the way that they look when they're sort of out on display. So I found this Scandi style bookshelf from Target, which is the same style as the low line bookshelf that I already have. I went and picked it up and I put it together, but unfortunately, as you'll soon see, it just didn't quite work out. Even though I made the measurements and sort of checked with how it would fit in that doorway, it just didn't quite work when it was all put together. So as beautiful and as amazing as it did look, I had to sadly pull it apart and shift it, and I think I'm going to return it because it just didn't work for this space.
You as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
So guys, that is all I have for this video. Be sure to subscribe and put your notifications on for the next installment, part 2, coming in a few days, where I'm organizing a few more rooms. I want to get it done hopefully within about a week, at least to an organized state where everything is put away. If you did enjoy this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Have a fabulous weekend, and as always, I will see you in the next video. Bye everyone.